This is Jaman from Future IT Vision. Today I will be showing you how to run with multiple browser with Selenium. Example, like we are running test now. Go to the escape base. If I see here, we're running in the Chrome. So uh, we have to make our code to capable to run multiple browser. Example, your application maybe might be run on the different browsers. So different browser user perspective. Like example, I like to use Chrome, might be you like to use Firefox, another guy, third person, like to use as a Safari. So now we have to make sure that in our application is running in the all those browsers. So how we can do that, guys? So now we're going to parameterize, and we're going to do that. For that, we're going to use the if else statement. So now I'm going to say public void before test, and this is my method sign and this. So now my method is ready here. For now I'm gonna keep this, okay guys? For now I'm gonna keep it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just comment out. We're not gonna use anymore this thing right now, okay? So now we have this thing before test. Before that, let's go else if else statement, okay? I'm gonna say if condition, and so now before that I'm going to use I'm going to parameterize our browser. How going to do that? So string browser, so I'm going to say browser dot equal ignore case, and what I'm going to do here, this is I'm going to say what is this equal against Chrome. Our parameter is the Chrome. So now we will do the Chrome thing. So now, so be easy things, we're going to copy this, okay guys? I'm going to copy here, copy only this part, okay? Simple things. So I said this, okay? I'm not going to copy anything else. So now if condition Chrome match, run this one, okay? So now I'm going to say else if, okay? So now else if, so now we're going to do that else if. So else if condition what? Same thing. I'm going to say browser dot equal ignore case. So I'm going to say here what? Firefox. Okay, so Firefox is a Gecko driver. I already downloaded your Gecko driver, guys. You can download if you want. So I'm going to say the Firefox, okay? If I say the Firefox, so Firefox, how we're going to do the Firefox? Firefox is a little bit different than Chrome driver, so make sure that we follow the same route but same path, different way. So now let's do what you're going to do here. System dot, I'm going to say here system dot set property, okay? I'm going to say system dot set property. What is the property? So we're going to say here double quotation, and I'm going to say web driver, am I right? Web driver dot I'm going to say here Gecko driver. This Gecko driver, am I right? This is the Gecko Gecko driver, okay? Firefox is the Gecko driver dot driver. Okay, so now here we already have this and that, and then we have to give the path. So we need to get the property. So get property. So I'm going to say comma system dot get property. What is the get property? Get property basically your key. Okay, so this. So I'm going to say user dot dir directory, and then I said here plus cool and our path, okay, path of the Gecko driver. So how are we going to path of Gecko driver? I already have right click, guys, right click and copy relative path. So I'm going to put forward here, okay, and one slash, that's it. So now I put the Firefox. So let's do it. What is another browser? We're gonna do with another browser. What we can, I can copy this one, Safari. Okay, Safari. So I'm gonna put the here Safari. Okay, so Safari is different than all of this because we don't need driver for that. But what we need, let's do it, guys. So what we need over here, so I'm gonna system.set property good and WebDriver over here Safari good Safari, but over here not driver. I'm gonna say no install. Okay, I say no install, and then I'm gonna say over here, guys, this is a boolean true. Okay, I say no set property no install true, and driver same thing, driver equal driver equal new Safari driver. Okay, guys, new Safari driver and comma. So now one mistake we do over here, we did not put the Firefox driver. No problem, we're gonna put now. So how are we gonna do that? Same thing, driver equal new Firefox driver. Cool, done. So our Firefox, Safari and Chrome is ready. Okay, so before that, Safari cannot run without something. So what you have to do, you have to go to the Safari, open the Safari. Cool, go to the Safari preference. This is the more important part. Okay, guys, advanced. When you go advanced, enable the show development. Just click it, it will be crouching development. When you do that, close it, go to the develop and please click it. It should be checked out like allow remote automation. Without that, you cannot use the Safari driver. So please do that for a local machine. Now our browser is ready. For now, we already that done. Now what you have to do? Okay, guys. So now before we was doing the before test. Now we're gonna use add before class. Okay, no more. Before that, cool. Before that, I'm gonna use parameter because we want to parameterize our what, guys? I want to parameterize our browser, right? So we're gonna do here double quotation what browser. What's going on here? Let's see remote. So I'm not sure why it's showing. I should be at parameters. Yeah, everything's good. So what is the problem? Okay, cool. I was closing, sorry. So I say parameters, browser, this, and string browser. So cool. Our code is ready. Very simple code. One more code I'm gonna run. So make sure that we are running our what's called running these things our source lab. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring my source lab code here because we don't want anything here hard coded. Okay, guys. So over here, and I say here source lab Chrome. Am I right? This is Sasla Chrome. The error have. Let's see what happened. Click here. It should be here. Show and add extension. Done. So my code is ready. So let's go my XML file. So if you go to this XML file over here. So what you have to do? Very simple. Over here, we need to pass our parameter. So what parameter? Parameters. Parameters was browser. Am I right? If you go skip base, we parameterize browser. Am I right? So go here and put the value. So you want to say, okay, please run test in the Chrome. I'm running in the Chrome. Cool, done. Now I'm going to right click, run test in the Chrome. It should be run in the Chrome. Let's see, guys. Boom. Test running in the Chrome. Now you're telling me that could you please run test in the Firefox? Okay. This test is failing. That's different story. Why test is failing? We'll find a different later. But uh, it was Chrome was running. Okay, miss. Okay. So now if I go to the Firefox, Firefox. Okay. So if you run the test, it should be run on the Firefox. What happened? The WebDriver Gecko driver system must be set by Gecko driver. Okay, so my mistake, something I did over here. So now if I go escape base, this is the Gecko driver, Safari, something mistake I did here might be or capital letter. Okay, I'm just calling it. Okay, I say WebDriver, Gecko driver. So now let's see now. The path to the exit must be Gecko set property. Yes, I did set property. Space set property and system.get property. Yes, that's I did. So I'm not sure why it's showing that. So I say system.set property and then I said WebDriver dot Gecko driver system dot get property user directory and driver Gecko driver. Let's run the test. Maybe all this space there, that's why. Or I have to build this. Yeah, Firefox. Test running on the Firefox. I know what's problem. So this is my stupid things. I'm going to stop before also running. What's problem I know. So problem is very simple. I did not say driver did got which website. Okay, so I'm gonna put here not inside this statement, outside the statement. So problem was there was initiated Chrome was this time, but was not getting the URL. So if you run the test actually, now will be okay. Okay. So now our test is running in Firefox. Cool. Now you said we have a Safari. Let's run in the test in the Safari. Cool. So you pick the Safari and go to the here and it says Safari. And run the test in Safari. Test should be run in the Safari. Boom. Test is opening here. It's taking time. I'm not sure why, but it should be work. Yeah. Safari is open and test is running. So now we know. I close the test. Okay, this test will be running over here. So now we know what's going on. So Safari, we know run the test with Safari. So over here is run. So we know how to run the test with Safari. We know how to run with Chrome, Firefox. Now we also parameterize the source lab. Am I right? Yeah. So now yeah, we can do source lab. So go here and say here source lab. My source lab dashboard. Let's see what is this one. Yeah. So cool. I have dashboard. I have test. So now automated test. Cool. And now I'm gonna say run in the source lab. Okay. So if I see here and it's a source lab. Run the test. It should be here one tunnel. Yes. One session and test running in the source lab. Boom guys. So now we did our code with multiple ways. So we can use our test is If you go here, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Soslab, whatever you want. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop the test. Now we know how to run with multiple browsers. Thank you so much, guys, and feel free to comment section if you have any question. And see you for next video. Thanks a lot.